I am from Philippines. I'm going to put an WhatsApp number here on my wall to let you know that there were a place that need our help. So maybe we can share our stuff, our cash, or our love to these children in Uganda, Africa. If you have so much, you can help those children in Uganda. Let's share our love to them. Let's share our kindness. I am so broken when I am scrolling my Facebook and I see this account. So I'm going to put the Facebook account of the person, and he is putting his account, WhatsApp account here. Please reach him for you to see what in there in his place. So maybe some of you will think that this is a scam, or they're doing a business like this to get money from you. I'm not forcing you to believe it. I'm not forcing you to send, but give them a time. Give them at least 5 minutes of your time to look for your to see this account. So you watch the video of the kids that they need wheelchair, they need medicine, they need clothes, they need proper nutrition. They actually need everything. Alam nyo, marami sa atin na mga Pilipino, mga bata, kabataan na lagi tayong nanghihingi ng sobra-sobra sa ating mga magulang. Lagi tayong feeling natin, ang dami nating privilege para makuha yon. Pero alam nyo ba na merong mga kabataan na walang kahit na ano, walang mga paa, walang paningin. Sana naman makatulong tayo. Marami naman sa atin na sobra-sobra yung biyaya na binigay ng Diyos at sobrang privilege, maraming privilege na nakukuha. Magbigay naman tayo ng tulong sa ibang tao, no? Hindi puro tayo lang. Siguro some of you will say that, bakit hindi na lang ikaw tumulong? Hindi na lang ikaw magpadala? Of course, gagawin ko din yun. But I'm also informing everyone since we are in the internet world right now. So some of us are earning in this kind of social media. Maybe you can share. It's not bad to send 1,000, 2,000, 500. Kung gusto mo mag-send ng piso, it's okay. At least you send. Diba? It's about our heart. Sa pagtulong, or kung wala ka namang perang maisisend, you at least pray for these children that maraming taong makapansin sa kanila at maraming din tao ang makapagbigay ng tulong sa kanila. I'm going to put the WhatsApp number here and the account number of the Facebook, yung Facebook account mismo ng tao na yon na nanghihingi ng tulong sa ating lahat. If you want to share this video also, you can share it para naman maraming makaalam na merong ganitong klase ng lugar. Siguro sa iba sa inyo aanuhin sila pagsasalita ng di maganda. Pero ganun talaga ang kultura ng bawat bansa, 'di ba? So, imbis na gawin nating manira ng kapwa, gawin nating magsalita ng di maganda sa kapwa, tingnan muna natin yung sitwasyon. So everyone, share your love, share your kindness. Hindi lang po sa Christmas nagbibigay ng regalo, kundi binibigay po yun sa taong mas nangangailangan. God bless sa'yo. Alam kong ibabalik sa'yo ng Diyos yung pagtulong mo pati sa susunod mong mga henerasyon kapag ka bukal sa loob mo ang pagtulong sa iyong kapwa. Yan lamang po. God bless you everyone.